Friends, this is Mohammadin Rajadi, English lecturer at Government Boys Degree College, Dairki. On the directions of our worthy Education Minister and Secretary Education, I have recorded a video lecture for you about the story of the novel The Prisoner of Zenda, composed by Anthony Hope. This novel was published in 1894, and as you know, this novel is consisting of 22 chapters. Before starting story, let me introduce with you the main characters of this novel. So, first of all, I have got the hero of the novel, Rodolphe Fresendel. I will circle the face of the main and major character. Then we have got Princess Flavia. She is heroine of the novel. Then I have got Prince Rodolphe Fresendel. This is also the main characters of this novel. Then we have got Antoinette de Mauban. She is also side heroine of this novel. Fitz and Colonel Sept. These two are, loyal, what we can say, friends and loyal, friends and army staff of Prince Rodolphe of Ruritania. Out of these characters, we have got Black Michael, the villain of this novel. So I will introduce that character as well. So how novel starts? The first scene of the novel starts with this, line of I wonder when in the world you are going to do anything, Rodolphe said, my brother's wife. Now, this is what first line of the novel uttered by Rose. Rose is sister-in-law of Rodolphe Resendel. She is of the opinion that Rodolphe Resendel is not earning and he is jobless. So he has been jobless. Now he must do any what we can say job, and he must engage himself in any job. So during their discussion and quarrel, the elder brother of Rodolphe Resendel, enters in the novel, and he has got an opportunity for Rodolphe Resendel. So Rodolphe Resendel is not happy with that opportunity of being engaged in an embassy of his brother's friend. So Rodolphe Resendel has got passion of visiting Ruritania estate. Now Ruritania estate in this novel is a completely mythical state created by the novelist. Ruritania state is not existing on the breast of earth. That state is completely created by the novelist. So he has got passion of visiting Ruritania state. Why? Because he wants to join the coronation ceremony of fifth king, as I introduced from in first picture, King Rudolf Elfberg. He wants to join the coronation ceremony of the fifth king. So everyone gets what we can say agree, and they want to go him to go and attend the coronation ceremony of King fifth Rudolf. This is what King Rudolf fifth. So he leaves for Ruritania from Baldaston, and in the way when he leaves for Ruritania, he is accompanied by Antoinette de Mauban, the side heroine of the novel. So both Rodolphe Redesendel and Antoinette de Mauban, they both leave for Ruritania in order to join the coronation ceremony of Prince Rodolphe of Ruritania, the fifth king. So in this way the story of the novel starts. Now what happens when they leave for Ruritania? They I think book ticket for Dresden city, one of the cities of Ruritania state. So in the way they know that the coronation ceremony of the King Rodolphe V has been postponed for few days. So Rodolphe Resendel decides to stay in another city of the king, the state of Ruritania. So he wants to stay in Zenda, and he wants to visit the castle of Zenda and the forest of Zenda, and then afterwards he wants to join the coronation ceremony. So this is what. After reaching there, he books ticket of hotel, and he stays at a hotel, and he decides to stay there for a few days. When he stays at hotel, he knows conversation of people, how what people want, and what is what is the desire of people and public for the coming king. Some of the people are of the opinion that Black Michael must be the king, and he has got right. Black Michael is step brother of Rodolph Resendel, and few of the opinion that Rodolph Resendel must be the king. So he listens and enjoys, and after passing one night at that hotel, now he decides to visit the forest of Zenda. Now this is what first scene, and first what you can say, and second chapter of this novel. When he leaves, for the forest of Zenda, he visits. Forest of Zenda is a dense forest, so he enjoys scene of nature. He watches a lot of things and visits, and during his visit, he takes a rest in the shade, and he gets what we can say, he gets calm and sleeps. So when he's sleeping, two of the characters come and stand over him. When he opens his eyes, he sees two characters standing over him. The two characters, one is Fitz, another is Sept. So Fitz and Sept introduce with him the name and inquire of him his name as well. So he introduces and then he says that I'm Rodolph Zindel. So when he utters name, then they share their story with Rodolph Zindel, and they get shocked to see the color of his hair and long nose. They think that these two elements of his personality resemble with the Prince Rodolph of Ruritania. These two traits of his personality. One of the traits is color of his hair, another trait is the long nose. So he also shares a story with both of them that I am distant cousin of Prince Rodolph of Ruritania. That is why I resemble color of my hair and long nose with the Prince of Rodolph. Now here the rising action of the novel and twist of the story has been happened. What happened that Blake Michael, the step brother of the Prince Rodolph, has arranged a feast in the honor of in the honor of Prince Blake Mike in the honor of Prince Rodolph of Ruritania. So as you know, Blake Michael does not want Prince Rodolph of Ruritania to be the king. That is why he hatched a plant against Prince Rodolph of Ruritania, and he decides to get him engaged, and get him out of the crown and out of the throne. So when he arranged a cocktail party in the honor of Prince Rodolph of Ruritania, now the hamersha of the Prince of Rodolph of Ruritania is what, that he is fond of drinking a lot of wine. So Blake Michael arranged a lot of wine and special wine for Prince Rodolph of Ruritania. Now Colonel Sept and Fitz, you know, Colonel Fitz and Sept, Colonel Shifts and Fitz are of the opinion that they make him remember that in tomorrow you are going to be coronated. That is why be careful of drinking wine, and be in limit. You must not drink a lot of wine because you will not be able to have coronated tomorrow. But Prince Rodolph does not come in the what we can say directions of Fitz and Shape, and he keeps drinking wine, a lot of wine. And this is what the hamartia and the weakness of the character of the Prince Rodolph of Ruritania, that he is fond of eating, is voracious eater and voracious wine drinker. That's why he gets out of his senses, and he is now not able to be coronated tomorrow. And Black Michael has been successful in his plot to make him senseless, and ultimately when Prince Rodolph of Ruritania is out of scene and he is in no position to be king. Now, according to the custom of Ruritania, the second heir and second person and second legitimate person and character is Black Michael. So Black Michael hatched plot, and he got success in that plot. Now when this situation happens in the novel, now Colonel Fitz and Saved do not want Black Michael to be throned and to be king of the Ruritania. So when they meet Rodolph Zindel in the forest of Zenda, and they saw the resemblance of his hair and nose and height, so they decided now we can make Rodolph Zindel as replaced king in the place of Rodolph of Ruritania, the fifth prince of the Ruritania. So they decide to make Rodolph Zindel a king. Now this is what the stroke of luck, that a completely jobless person, Rodolph Zindel, is going to be king of the Ruritania. First of all, Rodolph Zindel does not get ready to be king. He is wondered, is out of mind. How I can be king? I am completely experienceless, and I haven't got any experience to be king. Now I can control the issues and manage the issues of state. But Colonel Sept and Fitz make him ready to be king, and they what we can say change his what we can say wardrobe, and they shave and make him king. Now when public is in waiting of the coming king and going to be king, would be king, when they see Rodolph Zindel, they do not understand that whether he is real king or not. Now the Prince Rodolph of Ruritania has been and kept in the castle of Zenda. Now this is what the name, the prisoner of Zenda. He has been prisoner of Zenda and has been kidnapped and what we can say placed in the castle of Zenda. Now Colonel Sept and Fitz direct him how to rule, and what are etiquette, and what are customs, rules, regulations. Everything is to be what we can say they train Rodolph Zindel. Now you are going to be king, and how you have to behave. So now this is what a turning point, a twist in the story. Now the king, Prince Rodolph, has been replaced. King Rodolph has been replaced with Rodolph Zindel. Now Rodolph Zindel is going to be the king. So now the other scene is of capital city of Ruritania. So people what we can say welcome him, and the scene in the Ruritania is of completely jubilant, People are dancing and welcoming and passing slogans and cutting. They are in happy mood. They are after being free of required rituals of coronation and celebrations. King Rodolph Resendel and fates and shapes now be free, and they are thankful to God that people did not know about the reality of Rodolph Resendel, that what they have done. When Blake Michael see that how they produced new king, so though he knows that they have replaced king, but he remained silent, and his face turns pale, and he is agitated, is what we can say in angry mood, and he does not want to see Rudolf Zendel as king, but he has got his other plans now. Now after being king, now the plan, now three characters, Sept, Fitz and Rudolf Zendel, now he has been king. They make plan to recover kidnapped king, Prince Rodolph of Ruritania, who is encaged and who is kidnapped in the castle of Zenda. So now they make plan, they prepare, and they try now. I think middle 4 to 10 chapters are about the planning, and they'll sometime leave, and they try to get in the castle of Zenda, and they what we can say face. So this picture shows how Radolf Resendel tries to go into the castle of Zenda, and to get recovered King the fifth Radolf, King Elfberg. So he tries his level best, but he sometime make plan, and sometime gets what we can say unsuccessful, and he returns. So during their planning of getting recovered Elfberg, the fifth prince of Ruritania. Now another situation happens. People start demanding the marriage of Adolf Zendel and Princess Flavia, because it is custom of the state that when any king bees, what we can sits on throne and bees king, and now he has to get married with the princess, which is I think was Princess Flavia. Now here the what we can say sincerity of character comes after Adolf Zindel. He does not want to involve in with Princess Flavia, because he knows Princess Flavia is not his love. Princess Flavia is love of Prince Elfberg. So he tries to escape. He tries to what can say escape and go away from Princess Flavia. Sometimes Princess Flavia also demands, okay, you are not going close to me, you are not having gossips, and you are not coming close to me, and you are not sitting with me. What is matter? And she sometimes starts suspected and having a suspension that whether Rodolph Reginald is real king or not. So in the beginning she even puts question and arises question that you are looking somewhat weak in your face, and another thing. Now here in the novel situation turns sometime somewhat bitter. Now he is in real exam, Rodolph Reginald. First of all, he has to recover the Prince Elfberg, and he has to face the situation that he is keeping away and saves his skin from Princess Flavia. Here another development happens. Antoinette de Mauban and Blake Michael, because Antoinette de Mauban is side heroine of the novel, and she loves with Blake Michael. Now Blake Michael also loves with Antoinette de Mauban, but Blake Michael now is in planning to have what we can say returned the throne, and now they are in what we can say double struggle. First of all, Rudolph Reginald has to save himself from Princess Flavia. Sometime he arranged ball party and other things on the demand of public, and Fitz and Sept what we can say, advise him to go close to Princess Flavia and have love with him. And during this, span, during this tenure, he develops love for Princess Flavia, and Princess Flavia also develops love for Rodolphe Zindel. And now they arrange ball party, dance together, have parties and dinner together, and sometimes they talk. But Princess Flavia also wants him to be away from Black Michael. That she knows that Black Michael is what villain. Black Michael is completely negative character, negative temperament, temperamented character, and he does not want to see Rodolphe Zindel, though she knows that Princess Rodolphe is Elfberg. Elfberg is the king of the state of the Ruritania. So story in this way, continues. Now here another development happens, that Rupert of Hentezu, one of the lowest characters and lowest, what we can say, employee of Black Michael, also develops love for Antoinette de Mauban. Antoinette de Mauban does not like, Rupert of Hentezu, but Rupert of Hentezu develops love for Antoinette de Mauban. So here now I can say there are three love stories in this novel. One is between Rodolphe Zindel and Princess Flavia. Another is between Black Michael and Antoinette de Mauban, and the third shortest and side love story is between Helga and I think Fitz. So these three love stories go parallel in this novel. Now the situation turns day by day bitter. Now they have to decide, they have to do action of recovering and releasing Prince Rodolphe of Ruritania, and they have managed to remain away from Princess Flavia, but public demand rises day by day to get married with Princess Flavia, as people now are anxious and they do not want to have another weight and extra weight, that they do not see now Rodolphe Zindel, who has been king, and Princess Flavia. Now they demand that they must get married. So now what happens, that you can see this is what map of different things and different characters and things of the novel. So now they try their level best. This is what picture of other little characters of the novel. So now Rodolphe Zindel tries his level best to get rid of this situation, and now his character turns completely positive. He does not want to close to Princess Flavia, as he knows that she is what we can say love of Elfberg, and now my duty is what, that I have to get recovered King Rodolphe, and then I have to leave Ruritania. So he is completely supported by two major and loyal characters, King Colonel Sept and Fitz. So they are good manager, and they are planner, and they are good administrator. So they deal every situation beautifully. They deal every what we can say and tackle situation completely with their mind and their wisdom. Here Black Michael now offers, through his 6 bodyguards, Bersonian and Rupert of Hentezu and Maxolf and others. So he offers money and safe escape to Rodolphe Zindel, that in the case of leaving Ruritania, they may give him bribe and safe escape if he leaves. But Rodolphe Zindel does not come in that pact, and he continues struggle of recovering Prince Rodolphe of Ruritania. This novel is beautifully furnished with landscape with characterization, with beautiful language, a lot of sentences. This novel is completely replete with all required devices of in a beautiful novel. If you see the language, if you see the landscape, if you see the characterization, setting, everything is what you can say well balanced of this novel. So when we study the novel, we enjoy a beautiful language and beautiful scene and beautiful conversation. There are a lot of things which one reader can enjoy. So now ultimately Radolf Wizendal gets in the castle of Zenda with the help of Colonel Sept and Fitz and Marshal of Strakans, the chief of army staff of the state of Mauritania and entire army. So Rodolphe Wizendal has got lot of qualities. He is good manager, good administrator, and brave character of the novel. And at the same time, he is staunch and sincere character and loyal character. He does not get involved in any type of corruption of sentiments, corruption of money, corruption of rulership, corruption, everything. He's completely clean character. He does not want to get involved in any type of what you can say, any type of corruption, any type of what negativity. So ultimately, they plan and get in the castle of Zenda. First of all, Rodolphe Wizendal has got uh, he's got chance of fighting with Rupert of Fantazu when he gets in the room of Anthony Maban, and then Black Michael comes there. Black Michael and Rupert of Fantazu, fight with each other, and ultimately with cross firing, Black Michael gets killed, in the hands of Rupert of Fantazu. Rupert of Fantazu now in last turns somewhat positive character because he does not want to fight with the main character and hero of the novel Rodolphe Wizendal, and ultimately he escapes and from the scene, and Black Michael is killed by Rupert of Fantazu, and Anthony de Maban though fires and have cross firing with Rupert of Fantazu, but Rupert of Fantazu escapes that fire and he leaves from the novel by riding a horse, and he is followed by Rodolphe Wizendal, but he is out of the scene, and ultimately now Anthony de Maban lost his love, Black Michael and Rupert of Fantasu, and then ultimately the character hero of the novel Rodolphe Wizendal gets in the castle and recovered Prince Rodolphe of Mauritania, and here there are a lot of killings in the novel. First of all, poor John and mother of Joseph, Joseph himself and doctor, and the six characters, six employees of Black Michael, they are also killed in the novel, and ultimately the king Prince Rodolphe of Mauritania has been recovered from Castle of Zenda, and he has handed over the charge of the Mauritania, and in last now here novel turns completely sentimental when Princess Flavia listens that Rodolphe Wizendal was not real king and he was replaced king, but till then, though Princess Flavia and Rodolphe Wizendal has turned love, and they have developed love with each other, but Prince Flavia now turns here completely constructive character. She is of the opinion that your love will remain in my heart, your ring will remain in my finger, but you will have to go and I will to stay here because I am responsible character. I am completely responsible character. I am not just Prince Flavia your love, but I am also responsible lady of the Ruritania estate, and I have to support Prince Rodolphe of Ruritania, and I have to remain sincere with Prince, my first love, Elfberg. Now here we can resemble Princess Flavia with the character of Marvi, as she also remains, loyal with his land. So Princess Flavia also wants to be loyal with his land and Ruritania, and she sacrifices the love of Rodolphe Zindel, and Rodolphe Zindel also sacrifices the love of Princess Flavia. And after handing over the charge of throne to Princess Elfberg, he leaves the state of Ruritania, and the last farewell scene with Colonel Sept and Fitz is completely sentimental, and getting eye wet. So this is what the story of the novel. Ultimately, Rodolphe Zindel returns to England. So this is panoramic novel of two states. One is England, UK, another is Mauritania. And he returns, and in last two chapters he recasts the stories of how he worked, how he let's suppose planned, and how he acted in the novel. So in last, the three characters, Rodolphe Zindel, Sept and Fitz. I will talk about these three characters. They are loyal, they are sincere, and they with this trilogy of character worked sincerely. They, they worked sincerely. If they wanted, they could kill, they could kill Princess Elberg and Rodolphe Zindel if wanted to get married with Princess Flavia. He has a choice, but he did not take that choice, and he remained completely positive character. He does not get involved any type of corruption, any type of sentimental corruption, any type of love corruption, and he left Ruritania empty pocketed, empty handed. So here the character of Rodolphe Zindel is one of the beautiful character I have ever read, and I have one of the any novelist have ever produced. Rodolphe Zindel leaves the Ruritania empty handed, and he what we can say, handed over entirety of the Ruritania to Prince Elfberg, and Elfberg then ultimately gets married with Princess Flavia, and Anthony de Mauban also I think leaves the state of Ruritania. So here this is what the story of the novel. I think you understood. This is our first experience. We are running short of technical aids. In the case, if you do not understand, if you did not understand, I will try my level best to revisit my lecture, and now I shall try my level best to talk about other things of this novel. Hopefully you enjoyed this story, and beautifully written, beautifully composed story. And in the case of any shortcoming, I am what we can say, hopeful that you will ignore any shortcoming I have done. So I'm thankful for you, and hopefully you understood. And till then, bye bye. Thank you.